Donna Svay, and I write the Avid Careerist blog. In this video, I want to show you how to use Canva.com to make a background image for your LinkedIn profile. So the first thing you do is go to Canva.com right here. And once you get to Canva, cruise over to the right side of the screen, find this bright purple Create a Design box, and click on it. Okay. This got preloaded somehow. What you want to do is type in LinkedIn, and it will come up and say, hey, do you want to make a LinkedIn banner? And you say, yes, I do. You click on that, and you automatically get a template for a LinkedIn banner. How nice is that? Then I'm going to assume here that you want to upload a photo that you have and resize it to fit LinkedIn. So you click Uploads over here in the left vertical rail, Uploads, and then we have another bright purple box to click, Upload Media, and then let's assume that this is on your computer, and so you click Device. I'm not going to click that because it will take you to my file list, and I've got client names in there and stuff, and of course we don't want to reveal their confidentiality. So let's go back to Uploads. And you can see that I have already uploaded a photo of the Seattle skyline. Let's assume you live in Seattle, you don't want to relocate, and one of the most important things you really want to convey to recruiters is that you're looking for a job in Seattle. If that's the case, then a Seattle skyline could absolutely be a good profile background image choice for you. So I've got this uploaded, and to get it over here into my template, all I have to do is click on it, and voila, it appears like magic. Now, you'll notice that there are these little circular boxes for dragging the image to make it bigger. So I clicked on one, and I just start dragging it to get it to fit. And then I come up here on the upper right-hand side, and I drag it some more, and I drag it some more, and just make it fit really nicely. Not quite. It's not quite big enough. There. Now Canva lets you do some pretty snazzy things. It will let you drag your photo around and center it and things like that. But I'm not going to do that right now. I just want to show you we now have a photo of the Seattle skyline that is the exact size that LinkedIn wants for its banner image on your profile. So what do you do now? You come up here to download, you click it, and all you have to do is hit download, and LinkedIn will prepare the design and download it for you to upload to your LinkedIn profile. It's really that easy. I've given you a pretty simple example. You can do a lot of really cool stuff with Canva. They have a design school. I love this site or this platform. It's really kind of a fun, creative thing to work with. But just wanted to give you a feel for how quickly you can take a nice horizontal image and turn it into your LinkedIn background photo. Thanks for watching.